Hey, it's Matt. Welcome back to Practice Perfect University. Today we'll be talking about how to add PTAs to invoices. And while we'll be using the term PTA throughout, the steps discussed here will also apply to OTAs, SLPAs, Kinesiologists, and any other providers that you would like to list on the invoice. Class is now in session. Step 1. Oftentimes, patients or regulatory bodies will request an invoice featuring a PTA, i.e., the assistant therapist who is providing the treatment in addition to the managing or billing provider. Fortunately, there's a simple way to do this in Practice Perfect, using the generic client invoice. To start, select Settings and then Customize Invoice Format from the menu bar at the top of the screen. Then click on the Client Invoice Format tab. In the Invoice Preference section, there's an option called Include Fee Split Providers. Check this off. It is a one-time setting. Step 2. Next, we will need to look at the individual fee codes that are relevant to your therapy assistants. We'll have to make a slight settings change here. To view your fee codes, select Housekeeping, Financial, and then Fee Codes from the menu bar at the top of the screen. In this example, we'll be looking at a motion exercise fee code. And in here, you simply need to tick off Split Info Required. You will have to do this for any fee codes on which you will include additional providers. Again, this is a one-time setting. Step 3. Now that we've configured our invoices to include fee split providers and our fee codes have the Split Info Required option checked, let's add a charge. As you can see, I've selected my fee item, and now I'm going to try to click Add, but note what happens when I do. Practice Perfect tells me that I still need to enter my fee split info, per Step 2. Click Fee Split Info. Press the green plus sign and find the name of the PTA. Please note that you can just click OK if you don't want to add another provider. Then click OK, Add, and then OK to save the charge. Step 4. Click on the patient's activities by service. Flag the charges you wish to produce an invoice for and click Produce Invoice on the function bar. Input the settings you normally would and click OK to produce the invoice. Select Preview. Here you can see the name of the PTA as noted during charge entry. Thanks for visiting. Be sure to check out the rest of the Practice Perfect University videos at practiceperfectemr.com. See you soon.